Hello students, I am teacher Krupa, your maths teacher. Welcome to the 10th video on the chapter Mathematical Logic. In this video, we are going to study the concept called duality and exercise 1.7 which is based on the same topic. So, let us start. So, what do you mean by duality? Let us see. Suppose if you obtain a compound statement S2 from the another compound statement S1 by replacing and by or by and, or T by F and F by T, where T and F are true and false truth values of the given statements, and also small t by small c and c by t. That is, here T and C stands for tautology and contradiction. Then the two statements so obtained are called as duals of each other. So, do not be confused, it is very simple. You are given a compound statement with some connectives in it. What you have to do is only the connective and you have to replace by or if there is or connective you have to replace it by and, or if there is true it is to be replaced by false or false by true, and there is tautology to be replaced by contradiction, and if there is contradiction to be replaced by tautology. Then you get the dual of the given statement. Clear? See, let us see the example. Suppose you are given a statement, say P and Q. Now, in this only the connective and will be replaced by or to get the dual of it. Very simple. Only keep in mind you have to change these connectives. And by or by and, T by F, F by T, and this small t which represents tautology by contradiction, that will be denoted by C, and contradiction by tautology. That is all, and you get the dual of the given statement. Rest all the connectives, suppose there is say if then or negation, you have to keep them as it is, you do not have to make any changes. Clear? Some points to be noted are, first one is dual of a statement is unique. Correct? You cannot have more than one dual statement for the given statement. Then the symbol negation and equivalent are not changed while finding the dual of the given statement. Clear? As I said, if there are any other connectives, say negation, if then, or there is equivalent sign, you do not have to change that. Dual of the dual is the original statement itself. Just like negation of negation is the statement itself, same way dual of the dual is the original statement itself. Then the last point is the connectives and or and the special statements T and C, that is tautology and contradiction, are duals of each other. That means if there is tautology, you have to replace it by contradiction, or if there is contradiction, you have to replace it by tautology, and they will be, the tautology will be denoted by small t and contradiction will be denoted by small c. So, only these points you have to keep in mind, otherwise the topic is very simple. Let us start with the exercise 1.7. See, question number 1, write a dual of each of the following. First one, into bracket P or Q or R. Now, this is the compound statement given and there are two connectives, both are or. Now, we know that or has to be replaced by and. So, the dual of this becomes P and Q and R. Understood? You have to just copy the same statement, only make the changes in the connectives, or to be replaced by and if there was and, we would have replaced it by or. Clear? Very simple. Next one. Let us see the second statement. Second one is negation into bracket P or Q and into another bracket P or negation into round bracket Q and negation R brackets complete. Now, as I said, wherever there is or, you have to write and wherever there is and, you have to write or. Clear? And the other connectives like negation, you have to keep as it is. So, the negation of this given statement becomes negation of P and Q or. Correct? Here there is and, so we have replaced it by or. Into square bracket P and, because in the given statement there is or. So, we replace it by and. Negation into round bracket Q or negation R. Understood? Very simple. Now, see the third one. P or into bracket Q or R equivalent to into bracket P or Q bracket complete or R. Now, as I said, this or connectives to be replaced by and this equivalent sign you have to keep as it is. So, dual of this given statement is P and into bracket Q and R equivalent to into bracket P and Q and R. Understood? The next one, negation of P and Q equivalent to negation P or negation Q. So, very simple, only this and connective will be replaced by or and or you will replace by and, rest of the part same. So, you get negation of P or Q is equivalent to negation P and negation Q. Clear? So, with this we finish question number 1. Let us move to question number 2. Now, in question number 2, they have given the verbal statements. In question number 1, it was symbolic statement. Now, here it is verbal statement. The rules you same you have to apply for the verbal also. And to be replaced by or by and, true by false, false by true, tautology by contradiction and contradiction by tautology. Now, let us see. See the question number 2 is write the dual statement of each of the following compound statements. The first one is 13 is a prime number and India is a democratic country. Now, over here there is only one connective and we know that in the dual and has to be replaced by or. So, we write 13 is a prime number or India is a democratic country. Clear? Only and to be replaced by or, rest of the part same. Next one, Karina is very good or everybody likes her. Now, here also there is only one connective or, which is to be replaced by and in the dual statement. So, we write Karina is very good and everybody likes her. Clear? The next one, Radha and Sushmita cannot read Urdu. Now, here again there is connective and. So, we will write Radha or Sushmita cannot read Urdu. Only you concentrate on the connective that is used. Next one, a number is real number and the square of the number is non-negative. So, this and connective will replace it by or. So, we get the dual of the given statement is a number is real number or the square of the number is non-negative. Clear? Now, this exercise is very small, only these two questions are there. So, we have finished this exercise. I am sure that you have understood this exercise. So, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Also, click on the bell icon to get all the notifications of the channel. Thank you, students. Keep practicing, keep enjoying maths. Goodbye.